Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. Let us discuss today LIFO under material cost. In the previous video, we have discussed about the FIFO method and what is the meaning of store, why they are delivering to stores, from there how to record in FIFO and all we have understood. So kindly watch if you are not watched the previous video for more information. Now let us discuss LIFO. When they purchase a material from the supplier will deliver goods to the store or a warehouse. From there, it will be issued for the production activities. After issuing to the production activities, we have a different method to record the inflow and outflow of the material in the store. If you are not recording inflow and outflow of the material, you will not be knowing what is the present availability of material, and it may affect you on the continuity of the work, time management, waste, production. It will affect on everything. That's why you need to maintain this material store ledger account. We have understood FIFO. Now we are understanding LIFO. LIFO method. See, here we have an example. The production department is requested for 70 quantity. Here they have recorded the different quantity of items and with the different price. On 1st November 40, 2nd November 30, on 3rd November 50. Here the request was 70. How we are issuing that 70? Under LIFO, last in first out method, the most recent one will be issued first. That is what is last in first out. Now 70 they have requested. No. The most recent one is 3rd November. On 3rd November, I am issuing 50. 50. The remaining balance will be issued in the latest recent one. That is 30. Out of 30, I am issuing remaining 20. And the price is 7 rupees. Okay, like this it will be issued. We'll understand this with the meaning also. Last in first out. Under this method, the price of last received lot are used for pricing. The price of last received lot. The last received lot is 3rd November here. So what was the price of this 50 quantity is 10. That price we have used. Okay. Issue until it is exhausted, until it is cleared. If they were asked, requested for a 40 quantity, then we were issuing 40 out of this 50. The remaining balance will be issued next. First any issues comes, no, first we are issuing from this. After clearing this only, we were issuing from the next latest one. So until it is exhausted, until the last one clears, we are not going to issue further any other quantities. In simple words, whatever items of inventory are received most recently is 3rd November, assumed to be sold first or issued first. So first we are issuing or selling first this, the latest one, the last one. Now we'll understand this with one of the problem. The following transactions were made during the month of April 2023. Prepare a store ledger account by LIFO method. April 1st, opening stock of material 1500 units at rupee 12. Second, issued 200 unit. Fourth, purchased 1000 units at rupee 15. 8th, issued 1200 units. 12th, purchased 600 units at rupee 20. 15th, issued 650 units. On 20th, return. We have a return here, new transaction. Return to store from the issue of April on 2nd, 100. This transaction is related to the April 2nd transaction. Okay. 24th, purchased 300 unit at rupee 25. 28th, issued 250 units. 30th, issued 300 units. Now let us solve this question. This is the format of store ledger account under LIFO method. The ledger account, the format is going to remain same. Only how we are recording and issuing, no, that is going to change here. Now, what is the first transaction? First transaction is opening stock of material 1500. So, opening stock means it is a balance. Opening balance. Previous month's closing balance is your current month opening balance. Directly balance we will record under the balance column. Quantity is 1500 and 12 rupee each. 1500 into 12 is 18,000. Okay. Next transaction is issue. After recording each transaction under balance, draw a line because most of the students will make mistakes while writing the balances. If you make mistake in balance, the whole problem will go wrong. So while be careful while recording the balances. On 2nd April, issue 200 units. Out of 1500, I am issuing 200 at rupee 12 each. 200 into 12, 2400. Out of 1500, issued 200. Remaining balance is 1300 into 12, 15,600. Okay. Yes. We have drawn a line. The next transaction is on 4th. Purchased 1000 units at rupees 15. On 3rd, purchase means receipt. Whatever you are receiving to your store is your receipt. From store, whatever you are issuing for production activities or for sole purpose to the showrooms, that will be recorded under issue. The remaining balance we are recording under the balance. Okay. 4th is 1000 units. This is 4th. 1000 units into 15. 1000 into 15, 15,000. Now how we are recording? We are carry forwarding the first old one. 15,600. Now we are copying the new one. 15,000. Okay. Next, what is the next transaction is on April 8th issued 1200 units issue. Now how you are issuing? Here they need 1200. We have sufficient balance over here 1300. Can we issue from this? No, because the method says whatever coming last you need to issue first. Okay, so the 1000 is the most recent one. So that's why I'm issuing from this 1000 into 15,000. What was the remaining balance? We need to issue totally 1200 units. Out of 1200 issued 1000. The remaining balance is 200. I'm issuing from this. The price I'm going to take the latest one. 12. This 1012. 200 into 12 is 2400. Out of 1300 we issued 200. Remaining balance is 1100 into 12. 13,200. You are writing the balance, the remaining balance, because this stock is clear. The whole 1000 we have issued. Only balance was remaining 200 we issued from this. So remaining balance we have recorded over here. The next transaction is on 12th. We have a purchase. Purchase is your receipt. Purchased 600 unit at rupee 20. 12th, purchased 600 unit at rupees 12. 12 or 20. Not 12, it's 20. 600 into 20 is 12,000. First we are recording The old balance we are carry forwarding, then we are copying the new one, 12,000. Draw a line. What is the next transaction? The next transaction is on 15th. Issued 650 units. 650 units issue. 650. I need to issue. Out of 650, how much is available from the most recent? 600 is available. 20, 12,000. The remaining balance is 50. We are issuing from 1,100. 50 into 12, 600. Out of 1,100 issued 50, the balance was 1,050. 1,050 into 12 is 12,600. Okay. Yes. Next transaction is on 20th. Return to store from issue of April 2nd 100 unit. When they are returning, it is coming back to store only. So, we are recording return under receipts column. The date is 20th. How many units returned? 100 unit at rupees 12,200. This quantity was issued from this 1,050 only. Right? So, we are adding back this 100 with this. So, 1,150 into 12 is 13,800. If the stock was clear, then we were writing it separately. But still the stock which we have issued previously is still remaining. That's why we added back to that particular quantity. Okay. The next transaction is on 24th. 24th, purchased 300 unit at rupees 25. Purchase means we are recording under receipts on 24th. How many units purchased? 300 at rupees 25. 300 into 25, 7,500. First we are carry forwarding the old balance, that is 1,150, 12, 13,800. Then we are copying the new one, 300, 25, 7,500. After writing, draw a line immediately. Then the next transaction is on 28th. Issued 250 units. Issued 250 units on 28th. Issued 250. So 250 you can issue from this 300. Understood why we are giving from 300? Because the method is LIFO. The LIFO says whichever you have received most recently you need to issue first. So 300 is the most recent one. So from out of 300 we are issuing 250 at rupee 25 each. That is 6,250. Now 1,150 old balance, no change. 13,800 we are writing as it is. Out of 300 issued 250. The remaining balance was 50 into 25 is 1,250. Next transaction, the last transaction for the month is on 30th April. Issued 300 units. Issued 300 units. So now 300 units I need to issue. Right. This 300 we are issuing from 50 first. After clearing 50, once it is exhausted, then only you are going to the next recent one. Okay. That is out of 300 issued 50. Remaining balances 250 into 12, 3,000. Out of 1,150 issued 250. Remaining balance is 900 into 12, 10,800. Okay, this is our closing stock. 900 units at rupees. The value is 10,800. Okay, understood? The method is very simple. Just opposite of FIFO method. Under FIFO, we are issuing the first one, first serve basis. Here, whatever coming in the last, we are issuing first. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like and share. If you have any doubts or if you want me to solve any further questions, then you can send it to my mail ID or you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. See you in next video.